Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print and enlarge images into multiple pages in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and click on the option Layout from the navigation menu above. In here, click on Margins. Then from the drop-down menu, click on the Narrow option. Next, click on Insert from the navigation menu again and click on the Pictures option. Then from the drop-down menu, click on the option This Device if your picture is already in your laptop. After you've uploaded your picture, right-click on your picture, then click on the option Wrap Text from the drop-down menu. Then click on the option Behind Text from this side menu. Next, double-click your images and look for this size section from your navigation menu. In here, you're going to adjust the height and width to your desired preference. For this tutorial, I'm going to adjust the size for a 4-page poster. The height will be set to 22 inches and the width will be set to 17 inches. Lastly, click on File from the top left corner and click on Print from the drop-down menu. Or you can just easily type Ctrl+P on your keyboard, and then you're going to choose your printer and you're going to print your poster. And that is how you can print and enlarge images into multiple pages in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.